This here is called the Binturong, also known as the bear cat, which is weird because it's hardly a bear and it's barely a cat. Native to the dense forests of Southeast Asia, the binturong is one of those animals that looks like it was assembled using spare parts. Body of a bear, face of a grumpy house cat, tail of a monkey, and the smell of, believe it or not, popcorn. But more on that in a second. Binturongs are members of the vivarid family, which includes civets and genets, basically the oddballs of the carnivore world. But despite being in the carnivore group, binturongs aren't particularly bloodthirsty. They're omnivores, eating a diet of fruit, small animals, birds, eggs, insects, and leaves. But their favorite food is fruit, especially figs. If there's a fruit buffet in the forest, the binturong is first in line, plate in hand, ready to go. Now, take note of that prehensile tail. It's thick, muscular, and about as long as the rest of their body, up to 3 feet. This tail works like a fifth limb, helping them grip branches, balance, and basically live their best slow, cautious, tree-dwelling life. They are the only old world mammal with a prehensile tail. So, remember that for trivia night. Binturongs are mostly nocturnal and arboreal. They spend their nights foraging and their days resting high in the canopy. So, no real surprises there. But where there is a surprise is their smell. That popcorn smell I was talking about earlier. They produce a compound called 2-acetyl-1-pyroline from the scent glands under their tail. It's the same chemical that gives buttered popcorn its distinctive aroma. When they mark territory, they leave behind a smell that's half forest animal and half movie theater lobby, which is pretty cool. I mean, come on. Ecologically, they play a vital role as seed dispersers. By eating fruit and spreading seeds through their droppings, they help maintain forest diversity. Without them, certain tree species wouldn't regenerate as effectively. Quietly, and with a little bit of stank, they keep the forest going. So what can we learn from the binturong? Well, just because you smell like popcorn doesn't mean you belong at the concession stand. Perhaps you belong outside climbing a tree like our good friend. Remember, if the binturong, you don't want to be right. I only have 30 subscribers, please help.